Okay, I got a question for you. I've seen these people on the internet. This is a Chevy LS 6004. 300,000 miles and the rear main seal kicked out about 20,000 miles ago. All the gaskets were rotten. This rear cover gasket. The rear main seal was definitely gone. And we centered this up. Took like 6 tries. We took our time to make sure. Didn't need a tool, so we just used the tool that was with it. Now you want to tighten these first because you got this centered. So these were snugged up, a couple of them once I got it there. What the hell is the purpose? Someone says you need to tighten the bottom bolts first because they're going to pull it down. No, we don't want to tighten the bottom bolts first because we don't want to. This is centered. If we pull it down, it will not be centered anymore. So these are all snug. So we're just going to snug these up. The top ones were 18. We're going to do these about 18 or a little bit less. These are for your oil pan, to put your oil pan back up. So can you... So we're just tightening these down. We're just going to snug them up. That'll be my torque specs for these. Once you pull the rear main seal cover, this is we cleaned it up. We're about to put it on. And a Chevy LS 60534857. You're going to drill a hole in this dumbbell. This keeps the oil going the right way. And you can use an impact gun. You could use a regular screwdriver. You could use a drill. You're just going to drill through here. There is a metal replacement, but I found the best is to use a pair of pry bar. Pull it straight out. And this whole pin assembly will come out. So you're going to just put it in and tap it carefully. Yeah. Maybe put some more grease. People said freeze them too will help. There you go.